Hey, I'm Ben Hayman, and today I'm going to show you how to cut a branch off a tree without tearing any of the bark underneath, no matter how big it is. If we do tear the bark when cutting the tree, that can make that part of the tree a little bit more vulnerable to pest and disease, and in the worst case, we can actually lose the tree. We call this a 3-cut method, and all you're going to need are some gloves and a pruning saw. The first cut we do is on the underside of the branch. We do it about 30 to 40 centimeters away from the trunk and to around 1/3 of the thickness of the branch. The second cut we do is a further 2 to 3 centimeters away from our previous cut, but this time on the top side. And we cut all the way through, being careful the branch doesn't fall on you. Now the bark underneath cannot possibly tear because we have already done our undercut. The third and final cut is just outside the branch collar. We try not to cut into the collar because the wound will heal much better if we don't. Now with no weight left on the branch, there's no chance of the bark tearing. So there you have it, a nice easy way to have a clean cut without damaging your tree.